Monday, August 12th, 2024. Saint Jane Frances de Chantal. Focus. When I saw it, I fell on my face. Today, our attention is constantly drawn to the next notification, email, or message. Moments of true awe can be seen under. Yet, we may have had many intense experiences in childhood where our natural reaction was nothing short of wow. Reflecting on today's reading, Ezekiel's vision of God's glory and Jesus revealing his impending betrayal to his disciples, I am reminded of my first Holy Communion. At the tender age, the realization of Christ's sacrificial love struck me with a force that was both awe-inspiring and deep humbling, an echo of the reverence that Ezekiel felt. Just as Ezekiel fell on his face, overwhelmed by the divine, and Jesus' disciple grappled with the pained reality of his words, we too are invited to experience a profound sense of awe in daily life. The glory of God is constantly unfolding around us through the beauty of creation, the wonder of human relationships, and the mysteries of faith. Hence, the psalmist today urges everyone, from the mighty to the meek, from the young to the old, to join in the chorus of praises. This glory that God reveals to his people is not something remote but a constant invitation to celebrate the divine in our midst. Fruit. His name alone is exalted. His majesty is above earth and heaven. Seeing God's glory, let us prostrate before him and praise him.